Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome theme in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome /extensions in the address bar or simply search for Chrome Web Store on Google. Once you're there, click on the Themes section on the left side. Here you find a ton of themes to choose from. Whether you want a dark mode theme, a nature theme, or something creative, there's something for everyone. Pick the theme that fits your style. Let's go with this theme as an example. Once you find the theme that you like, click on it and hit the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation will pop and just click Add Theme. It will automatically apply. And just like that, your Chrome's look will change instantly. You can now enjoy a fresh look every time you open Chrome. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your Google Chrome theme. It's a fun and easy way to personalize your browsing experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more quick tips. Let me know in the comments what theme did you choose. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.